Hello friends, today our topic is how to add unlike fractions. This is unlike fractions 4 over 10 and 1 over 3. Friends, we have add these two fractions 4 over 10 plus 1 over 3. First of all, the denominator is different from each other. 4 denominators is 10 and 1 denominator is 3. So first of all, we have find LCM of 10 and 3. So friends, we have used division method to find LCM 10 and 3. 5 times 2 is 10 and 3 is here. 5 times 1 is 5 and 3 times 1 is 3. 2 multiplied by 5, 10 times 3 is 30. So the LCM is 30. Friends, we have multiplied these denominators with those numbers, which is given answer is 30. So friends, 10 multiplied by 3, the answer is 30, which is same as LCM. So we have multiplied this number with denominator and with the numerator. So friends, 3 multiplied by 10, the answer is 30, which is same as LCM. So friends, 10 multiplied by 1. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 and 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. Plus 1 multiplied by 10 is 10 and 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. So add numerator with each other and write LCM is here, which is 30. So 12 plus 10 is 22. 22 over 30. The answer is 22 over 30. So friends, we have add unlike fraction with this method. First of all, we have find LCM, and when we have find LCM, the first fraction denominator multiply with that number which have given LCM. So the LCM is 30. We have multiplied 10 with 3. Friends, we have add unlike fraction with this method 4 over 10 plus 1 over 3. First of all, we have find LCM of 10 and 3. We have find the LCM with this division method and the LCM is 30. The LCM is 30. We have required both the denominator is 30. So we have multiplied 10 with 3, which is required. We have required 30. To 10 multiplied by 3 is 30 and 3 multiplied by 10 is 30, which is required because our LCM is 30. When our LCM is 30, then both the denominator is 30 needed, required. And when we multiply 10 with 3, then these 3 multiply with numerator and this 10 multiply by with numerator. 4 multiply by 3, the answer is 12. 10 multiply by 3, the answer is 30. Plus 1 multiply by 10 is 10 and 3 multiply by 10 is 30. 12 plus 10 divided by 30, so the given answer is 22 over 30. So friends, we have learned today how to add unlike fraction. Please friends, subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and like this video.